Hello students, hope you all are going on with videos regularly. Please see that you don't skip any video or you don't miss any video, because if you miss any video you will miss the complete topic in that. Okay? Fine. In my last video we discussed about verb tenses, and then also we discussed about past tense. So in this video let us discuss about the second kind, that is present tense, and all four types of present tense for with explanation. Okay, let's begin with simple present tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now if I talk about simple present tense, like in last video we discussed about past tense. Past tense में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? It will be simple like subject plus V2 form. In this present tense it will be subject with V1 form. V1, that is base form of verb. Okay, it will go with, say like suppose I write or he writes. Understood? I write and he writes. See, here he writes is written. It is written he writes. It doesn't mean that this writes is in plural form. No. This is one format of writing verb with first person, second person and third person. Okay. Now talking about which will be considered as first person, second person and all. So I will just give you basic knowledge about that. It is like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay. Now if I talk about he, she, it, so इन तीनों के साथ जब हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में वर्ब यूज करते हैं तो वो वर्ब के पीछे एस लगता है, whereas इन सब के साथ नहीं लगता. Understood? Like here it will be simply write and here it will be writes. Got it? So this way we have to be careful about how to use verb with third person and with first and second person. Okay? That we have to take care with this simple present tense. Now further, if I talk about present perfect tense, तो present past perfect tense में हमने क्या देखा था कि they use with had, had, right? And in that video I told that there are almost 3 types which we used to discuss normally. That is have, has and had, right? ये 3 types होते हैं जो हम perfect tense में ज़्यादातर यूज़ करते हैं. So here in this perfect tense की अगर बात करें तो past tense only go with had with all these persons. कोई भी, either you write with first person, second person, third person, had ही use होगा, either you go with singular or you go with plural. Okay? But if you talk about present tense, तो present tense में there are 2 helping verbs, that is have and has. Have किसके साथ लगेगा? That is I, we, you, they के साथ have लगेगा in present perfect tense. Understood? And the third person, he, she, it, ये तीनों के साथ has लगेगा, that is has, has. Okay? Now along with this, subject will be related to किसके related हम sentence बोल रहे हैं वो, then have या has लगेगा plus V3 form. What is V3 form? That is past participle form. Like yesterday we finished with write, wrote, written. Okay? उसी तरह से यहाँ पर past participle form लगेगा. I have given 2 examples here. So like suppose I have written. Understood? I have written is done for our present perfect tense. And second sentence में अगर हम बात करें, if I write with I had written, so this will be wrong sentence because this is had, and had will not come in present perfect tense. If you want to talk about present perfect tense, so instead of had, there should be has, has. Understood? Past present में भी वर्ब का फॉर्म पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ही लगेगा, दैट इज इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके एवरीवन. फर्दर इफ आई गो विद प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, so present continuous tense में, like if you remember, yes, if you remember in my first video of tenses we discussed about कि जब हम continuous tense use करते हैं, verb comes with ing form, that means it will come with present participle, because present participle, okay, verb ing form में आएगा, so that वो हमें continue action बताएगा. Understood? ing, writing, arriving, ओके. बट प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के साथ साथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाना बहुत जरूरी होगा. दैट इज पास्ट टेंस में वॉज वर्ब लगेगा, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस में इट विल गो विद इज, एम एंड आर. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट इज, एम एंड आर, ये आपके हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स लगेंगे मेन वर्ब से पहले. लेट अस सी एग्जांपल. आई एम राइटिंग अ लेटर टू माय फ्रेंड. ओके, आई एम राइटिंग. See, am is helping verb, writing is main verb with ing form. Okay, a letter to my friend. Second example, if I see, my uncle is arriving from US in the morning. So uncle is arriving. Understood? So that comes with present participle form with and, is, and if we talk about plural then are. Okay everyone. Further, next topic is present perfect continuous tense. Now if I talk about present perfect continuous tense, so in this, see, perfect में हमने present perfect में क्या use किया, have या has. Okay, and whenever we use with present perfect continuous tense, तो उसमें भी have या has use होगा, but with be, double e and being, क्योंकि इसमें भी प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ही लगेगा. अंडरस्टूड? सी, दीज आर सर्टेन रूल्स ऑफ ग्रामर. अब ये पूछोगे कि इसके साथ बीइंग क्यों लगा और इसमें हैव हैज क्यों लगा, लाइक आपके मैथमेटिक्स में फॉर्मूलाज होते हैं, इन द सेम वे वी हैव सर्टेन रूल्स इन ग्रामर व्हिच वी हैव टू फॉलो. ओके, सो हैव हैज प्लस बी डबल ई एंड बीन प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल form, that is verb with ing form. Okay, then if I see example, see, we have been waiting for the bus, or else Madhu and Anu have been shopping for 2 hours. See, यहाँ पे Madhu and Anu मतलब they are more than one, मतलब we are talking about 2 person, it comes with plural. और जब भी plural person की बात करेंगे तो over there have ही आएगा, has will not come. Has will only come with these 3 people, that is he, she and it. और थर्ड पर्सन कोई एक सिंगुलर नेम आपको हो, आपके पास हो, तो उसके साथ हैज आएगा. बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट 2-3 पर्सन टुगेदर, देन वी हैव टू गो विद HAVE, have. Understood? Now let us compare present tense and past tense. See, ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. लाइक प्रेजेंट टेंस में V2 लगता है, सॉरी सिंपल प्रेजेंट में V2 लगेगा, तो सिंपल पास्ट में, सिंपल प्रेजेंट में V1 लगेगा, तो सिंपल पास्ट में V2 फॉर्म लगेगा, दैट इज वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म. राइट? देन पास्ट परफेक्ट में we usually use HAD, had, but here in present perfect we are using have or has. Okay, then if I talk about continuous tense, in past tense, see, subject and present participle form of verb same है. इसमें भी subject and present participle past participle form same है. Only ये helping verb ने पूरा sentence और पूरा tense change कर दिया होगा. इसीलिए आपको फर्स्ट वीडियो में भी बोला था, I had spoken first video also, that you have to take care of helping verbs importantly. Either you go with perfect tense or you go with continuous tense or you go with continuous perfect tense. Helping verb ही हमें बताएगा कि आप present की बात कर रहे हो या past की बात कर रहे हो. Understood? So here also we are discussing about is and are with present participle form. Then further present continuous tense की बात करें तो have, has and and been. Past continuous की अगर बात करें, past perfect continuous, in that also what we discussed that past continuous, I am talking about past, we discussed subject plus had plus been plus present participle of verb. मतलब सिर्फ यही डेफिनेशन में फॉर्मूला में हैव हैज की जगह हैड लगा पास्ट में, बट इन प्रेजेंट इट विल बी हैव एंड हैज. अंडरस्टूड? एंड फर्दर योर एग्जांपल्स फॉर दिस सेंटेंस फॉर दिस टेंस. ओके, नाउ बिफोर आई गो ऑन फ्यूचर टेंस, वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म you people, as according to my explanation, I will be giving you PDF file also. That is, I will be giving you certain topics to write. Usually I do for my grammar videos, like whenever I complete my topic, I used to give you all my little bit small exercises so that you can go on practicing this, right? So after I finish with future tense also, I'll be giving you few exercises related to past tense, present tense and future tense, which you are supposed to do in your grammar notebook. I hope you all have already made your grammar notebooks up till now. Okay? So grammar notebooks mein you people have to sort out your exercises. I repeat this statement in almost every video, that write questions with pen, whichever PDF you will get, and answers, please try to write it on your own only and write it with pencil. Later on we will definitely discuss all these answers. Okay everyone? So see that you understand these topics. Two tenses explained, that is past tense and present tense. So after I finish with future tense, I'll be giving you certain exercises also. Okay everyone, which you have to do. Understood? Okay, so just go through explanation of past tense, exercise related to past tense, and in that exercise all these topics will be included. So the same thing will be for present tense also. Exercise will include all these 4 topics and you will have to practice that exercise in your notebook. Understood everyone? So just see this board carefully and observe the thing, whatever is written here. Okay? Just go through it please.